In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit categories in QuickBooks Online, Chart of Accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to save changes with confidence so your reports stay clean and accurate. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to the settings icon, the small gear in the upper right. This is your control center for company level tools. From there, choose the Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of categories that organize your transactions, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Keeping this list tidy ensures your profit and loss and balance sheet tell the right story. Once the chart of accounts opens, browse through the list to find the category you want to adjust. You can scan by name, type, or look for the one tied to the area of your books you're cleaning up. If your list is long, filters and search can help narrow it down. But the key here is to identify the exact account you intend to update. When you've found it, move to the right edge of that row and click the small drop-down arrow. This reveals actions you can take on that account. Choose Edit. This opens the account's details where you can safely make changes. In the Edit window, review the account name to ensure it's clear and consistent with how your team records transactions. If the detail type is available, choose the one that best describes how this account behaves. The detail type helps QuickBooks group data properly on reports, so accuracy matters here. Add or refine the description if you want extra clarity for anyone posting to this category. If this category should sit under another, you can mark it as a sub-account to keep your structure organized. Be thoughtful about changing account type, shifting from, say, an expense to an asset. Changes how it appears on financial statements. If you see warnings, read them and make sure the change aligns with your accounting goals. When you're satisfied, click Save. QuickBooks applies the update right away. It's a good idea to spot check your reports or run a quick search on recent transactions to confirm everything still looks correct. If the account has history or is connected to a bank feed, some fields may be restricted. In those cases, adjust what's allowed and consult your accountant if you're unsure. That's it. You've navigated to the chart of accounts, found your category, opened the edit screen, made precise changes, and saved them. Keeping your categories accurate will make every future report faster, clearer, and more reliable.